Hey guys, you know what to do now. Pause. Grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, because once you get started with this playlist link, you don't want to get up. All right, enjoy, you guys. Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, GGfaison, and I welcome you into my home once again. As you can see, we are in the kitchen today, which means we're going to do a little cooking. Now, this video is part of a collaboration and is hosted by Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. And Stephanie usually hosts these collaborations quarterly, and this time I was invited to be co-host along with the Grace Live DIY Home Decor. I will have all channel links in my description box below. There will also be a playlist link for you to click on to see all of the recipes of all of the creators that will be participating. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say I welcome you here and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I want to say I thank you. Now, this collaboration, we were asked to create a one-pot meal, and it could have been a pot of soup, casserole, a salad if it's your meal, layered, just whatever you wanted to do for this collaboration, but in one pot. So for today, you guys, I have a special treat. I am going to create the crispy baked Parmesan chicken with potatoes and green beans. Yes, I'm putting it in one pot, I'm putting it in the oven, and you'll see that I've shared with you guys some of the items that I'm going to be using, but I did a little twist on it. I decided at the last minute that I wanted to add some cream of mushroom soup and layer it with shredded cheese. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I won't show you all of the steps to it for sake of time because the playlist link will have other creators, but I will show you as much as I can. But just remember, within the items that I shared with you that I will be using, I added 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and the shredded cheese for the topping. All right, you guys, enjoy your coffee, your tea, and enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out that playlist link of all the creators as well as the host and co-host. Be blessed, enjoy, and I am your host here at my home, GGfaison, and I want you to know that you're always welcome, and I thank you. Now, I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I'm going to be using for the sake of time and so that everybody can get to view all of the videos in the playlist link. I'm going to share with you what I'm using, and then I will come in periodically and just give you a quick view of how things are going. I will not take you through the entire process of cooking. Now, my hands have been cleaned, and here I have 5 pieces of chicken breast that has been washed already. I have my string beans, which will be my vegetables, and I have some potatoes. I'll have to cut those up, but I will be using the golden potatoes with the green beans. We will be using lemon juice, EVO oil, breadcrumbs, Parmesan shredded, butter, 1 egg, and my seasonings of salt, pepper, and my other seasonings that I like to use. Just have a little bit here. But you know, you can see, yeah. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get started, and then I'll be back in to share with you guys a little bit later on. Again, I'm your host, GGfaison, so stick around and watch me create this one-pot meal for you. So for this recipe, you can either use chicken breast or you can use the boneless thighs. I'm choosing to use the chicken breast because I don't like the thighs, so I'm using the breast. And what I'm doing here is just adding the lemon juice, the minced garlic, and the egg together,
with your salt and pepper of choice, however much you want to. I only use just a small amount of the salt and pepper. More pepper than salt is what I like to use. So this is going to be my wet mix, and then I will dip my chicken into the wet mix, place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That will help all of the flavors to just soak into the chicken, so that the chicken will have those big, bold flavors. And this is for my chicken, so, and I love parsley flakes, so I love the taste, the flavor. So we're just going to whisk all this together. Ooh, it smells delicious. So what I've done thus far is I have dipped my chicken into the egg batter, and I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so that those flavors can marinate together, and then I will pull it back out and I will proceed. So stick around, guys. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. And 1/3 cup of the Parmesan grated cheese. This bowl here, I have my Parmesan cheese and my breadcrumbs, and I'm using the garlic and herb breadcrumbs with those extra seasonings. And once my chicken is done marinating in the refrigerator, I'm going to dip into the breadcrumbs, and then I will share with you guys how I have everything aligned. My potatoes, I pre-cooked them, so they will be potatoes that take a long time to cook sometimes. So I've pre-cooked them for about 8 minutes so that it won't take so long. My green beans are over draining, and I will just come back and share with you guys how I have everything aligned in my one pot for this one pot meal. So here, you guys, in the casserole dish, I have the chicken that has been breaded, and I have my potatoes that have been pre-cooked or partially cooked, and they have been drenched and marinated in the minced garlic and butter sauce. And I've got that in the dish, and it is ready to be placed in the oven to cook. Okay guys, as you can see, the chicken and the potatoes have been in the oven for about 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is flip my chicken over. I've added the green beans here. Now the green beans have been marinating in the remaining of the garlic and butter sauce that was also placed upon the potatoes before adding them into the chicken mixture. So it was like 2 parts of the garlic and butter mixture. So I've marinated also the green beans, placed them on top of the chicken and the potatoes. Now I will put this back in the oven for about another 20 minutes, but right before I think it's done, I'm going to add the 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and the mozzarella cheese and let that brown and cook for about 20 more minutes. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new, again, I welcome you. And if you would like to become a part of the family, just hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of this recipe. Now, you guys, I wish Smell-O-Vision was available, as it smells absolutely delicious. But not only does it smell delicious, it is so delicious. Serve it up with some garlic bread, and I promise you, garlic bread and a glass of tea, beautiful, delicious. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious. All right, you guys, I thank you once again. Hope to see you in my next video. Again, thanks to Creatively Me with Stephanie for inviting me to be co-host, and thanks to the other co-hosts as we worked together. You guys be blessed, take care, and I thank you.